Vlogmas Day 5. Hey y'all, I'm Sharika. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, sis. Let me know where you're from, how you found me, you know, all that good stuff. So today I am headed to lunch with one of my girlfriends. She's here in town from Atlanta. So we're gonna go ahead and meet up and have lunch, catch up. She just had a new baby. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see her. So I decided to come on and show you guys my little outfit of the day. These are some faux leather pants that I picked up from H&M. I showed you guys this on my birthday. And then this sweater, I picked it up from Forever 21 a very long time ago. Shades, Amazon. Shoes, Amazon. These are my favorite style pumps. I have them in pink, gray, cheetah print, 2 pair of black ones because the last time we went to Miami, I thought I left them in Miami and ended up buying a new pair, and I found them later on. So yes, so this is my outfit, something cute, very chic, you know. But yeah, so these pants are very, very comfortable because they have like a really nice stretch to them. I can't wear pants if they don't have a stretch because I have a very big, thick thighs. So I need my stretch. But I'm not going to vlog too much there just because everybody doesn't like being on YouTube, for one. And for two, because I haven't seen her in a while and I don't want to be that friend that has to have my phone out. I want to actually have a conversation with her and catch up on what she has going on and what I have going on. So that's what we'll be doing. Well, that's what I'll be doing. We'll probably spend a couple of hours. She might come back to the house. We'll see. So yeah, this is the outfit of the day. Okay, let's see what perfume I want to wear today. I think I'll go with my YSL today. This perfume smells so good, y'all. Y'all need to grab y'all some of this. Tony bought me this perfume for my birthday one year. It smells nice. All right, y'all, I'm here. So we're going to J. Alexander. Oh, look at the big reindeer.
Mom, look. Mom, I'm about to bust one of you.
Okay, y'all, so it's several hours later. I put on my sweater. Tony's trying on his new hoodie. Every time he gets his allowance, he buys a new hoodie. He has a hoodie addiction right now. But I wanted to show y'all, this is my new face steamer that I was telling y'all about. Now y'all see why I was able to get away with telling Tony. Y'all remember what I said. But because of this thing right here. But yeah, so I'll probably use this tonight. And then you guys remember that a company had sent this to me, and I already have one, so I was thinking about giving this away this month in our December giveaway. But y'all can't have my face steam. I ordered this from Amazon, so you just put a little bit of water in it and it steams up. Tony, let me see if Tony will bring me a little bit of water. Can you bring me some water so I can try this out with them?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. But yeah, y'all, we're not doing nothing else today. We'll probably just watch some movies. I was thinking about watching some, no, it's going in my steamer. Just bring me some water out the sink.
Okay.
He's so crazy. Let me see. I think I'll just watch like some Christmas movies or something. I haven't been on Lifetime in a while. So I think, well, they don't really have good. Those Christmas movies be a little corny. I could watch like Best Man Holiday and all of that, but I'm gonna cry. I already know it. and I'm just not in the mood to cry. Hold on, let me plug this up. Y'all, I have like a slight headache.
It was from that candle.
It was from the what? Yeah, we were smelling candles. We went to Kohl's and TJ Maxx. I should have vlogged in there, but okay. Where did you get this from? Is this mine? What is this? What does this go to? I don't know. All right, y'all. So you just pour the water in. Tony, don't be playing behind my back.
Sorry.
Pour the water in. Hold on. I don't think that was right. Where's the water? Tony,
Now?
I need more. I need more. What? Oh, just a little bit.
I forgot.
Y'all, this stuff that made a big mess all over my lap. Okay, I'm gonna do it slow. Why is it coming out? See, y'all, it's my other one. Y'all know that little small one that I have. I just pour the water in and it will start steaming. I need my husband. Oh yes, on. Oh. Okay, I was supposed to lock it. You gotta lock it. It's making a mess. Let's see if this works. This is still running out. What the hell? I'm about to send this back. I don't see not one piece of steam coming out of this thing. I'm sending this back because this is foolishness. It's not doing nothing. Like, I don't hear anything. Oh my God damn it. Y'all, I got water all over me. Let me show y'all my other one because it worked way better than that one, but it's just too small. Hold on. Oh. Let me get it. Hold on, y'all. I'm back. Yeah, I done made a mess down here. I got water everywhere. Okay, so this is my other one. And see how small it is? I don't like that. I wanted a big one that had like the little cute little mask. All right, let me plug it up. So the only thing you have to do with this one is just take the top, take this little piece out of the back and put a little bit of water down here. And then put this back. Turn it on in the front. This is a little, y'all see it? I'm gonna let it focus. Oh, my face. Well, the light is on, which means that it's getting hot. I don't know what's going on with that thing. It does not work. Tony! I know he like, can you leave me alone? Can you bring me a little towel to wipe this stuff off, please? I know he's tired of me. Oh, you're using the restroom? Okay. Because I need to do a pepper routine tonight, y'all. I need to get my skin and stuff in order. I got this pimple right here. Can y'all see that? It's right there. All right, now watch, y'all. It's going to start steaming. That one is still on and it's not steaming, but hell, I can't even keep the water in it. I might send that back. It came with this little cup, but Can y'all see it? See, that's the only thing. One thing that I don't like about this one is the water shoots out, and the water is hot. So that's the only thing. So you have to hold it away from your face. You have to like, because that water is hot. I'm doing a whole facial with a I know y'all like, girl, it feels so good, y'all. Whenever I like to do this like after I do like a nice face scrub, like a clay mask, and then I'll do this, and then I'll use a sheet mask for soothing. So it's really nice, but like I said, it's so small. Oh Lord, this one trying to make some, this one doing something now, y'all. Y'all hear it? But I don't see nothing, child. I don't see nothing. Hold on, let me try something. I'm gonna put some more water in this little cup. I know y'all can't see it. I'm gonna put some water in this little cup and see if that works. Let's see. Let's see if that'll work. Y'all hear it? It's on. I just want to be like, hold a spot. Ow. If y'all have one of these, please let me know how to use this daggone thing. Ow. Oh. Uh-oh. Y'all see it? But goodness, it takes so long for it to steam up. I'm scared to put the water keep coming out of the bottom. So what I did, it's a little, I might need to take y'all down so I can show y'all. Okay, it's steaming a little bit. I don't know. The other one steamed better. So what I did is this little, y'all see this little cup right here? I put water inside of that and set it inside this, and now it's making the steam. So maybe that's how you do it. I don't know. Y'all let me know if y'all have this type of face steamer. Let me know if I'm doing it right, because this thing is being real extra. And I made a mess all over my couch. Don't you just love that sound? Just whipping up a little dinner. You know how I do. Alright, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow.